Peace is playing. Peace is sharing toys. Peace is caring for friends. Peace is friends. Peace is family. Being peaceful is loving. Being peaceful is helping. Being peaceful is sharing. Being peaceful is playing. Being peaceful is including. I am peaceful when I am quiet. I am at school. I am with my friends. I am happy. I snuggled with my family. Peace makes me feel. Warm. Happy. Calm. Joyful. Loved.
Mr. Kelly's class has been learning the sign language to a song Imagine by John Lennon.
We love the message of this song and hope you can imagine this world.
Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace.
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one.
Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can.
No need for greed or hunger, a brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world.
You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one.
This is the Harmony Pod and grade 3s and 4s. We made 4 quarters of a puppy and we colored them in with pastels. We glued them to a big piece of paper and also glued doves to the paper that had good messages on them. Doves and writing kind stuff in them because they message peace and
I feel puppies represent the fallen soldiers in war. And I think that we should respect them because they fought for our freedom. Can puppies come in different colors? Did you know that Flanders Field is filled with red poppies and there's also filled with dead people from the war? Poppies help people to remember who fought with the war. Why do we celebrate Remembrance Day? Did you know that there's a tombstone known as the Unknown Soldier Tombstone? It's where all soldiers were buried that were not identified because they did not have their dog tags.
taking pictures of poppies because they represent peace.
In Flanders Fields by John McCrae. In Flanders Fields where poppies grow, between the crosses row and row. The mountains and in the sky, the larks simply singing cry. Scares heard amid the guns below. We are the dead, short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow. Loved and we're loved, and now we lie in Flanders Fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from flailing hands we throw. The torch, the yours to hold it high. The secret faith with us who died. We shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders Fields.
Mr. Neely, Miss McLean, and Miss Watterson's class will be singing a song about how we all have the power to spread love and peace to the whole world. The song is called With Their Own Two Hands by Ben Harper and Jack Johnson. We hope you enjoy.
Make it a kinder place.
That ends our remembrance ceremony. Thank you for taking the time to remember.